here, you'll see them going up and down. This thing's got ride control on it. You'd be surprised how much the ride control actually helps. It really helps eliminate a lot of the bumps and stuff. It's kind of surprising. So, see, we're coming up to the burn pile here where we're going to just burn all this junk once it dries out. We are in 2-speed here. And you can see in front of me over there where the logs are. What we'll do with those is we'll get those two shorter ones, put them perpendicular to how the logs will lay, and then they'll lay on top of them, keeping them off the ground, keeping them drier, I guess. I imagine you want them drier. I don't know what they're going to be used for yet, but we don't want them to rot. Yeah, ride control makes a huge difference when you're trucking stuff back and forth like this. Definitely helps. So freaking hard. You have to literally come to a 100% complete stop and then engage it, otherwise it just jolts you back and forth. And all kinds of dust and stuff coming off these logs. Oh. Or stumps and whatnot, the root system, and all the sand in there. You don't have to worry too much about a bunch of dirt and stuff stuck to them, so makes the burning and drying out process a little easier, a little quicker. Make the pile burn a little better when the time comes. Give that pile about a month. If the weather continues the way it has been, we've had like 2 weeks of no rain at all. It's been extremely dry here. in case he doesn't want to go that way with it. I don't want to drive off the edge of the blacktop there and collapse it. obviously some type of relief valve or something where it eases into it instead of just jolting it full like pressure switch from one to the next. So really do like that about the Cat quite a bit. So there it goes into 2-speed again. But so that's just something one of the downfalls I guess of this machine, but it's not a detrimental downfall to the point where you wouldn't want to buy the machine. It's not a huge deal that way. But it's something I'd like to see changed in the future. Drive that excavator out there and restack those logs better since we're pretty much done with those now. I think that's all the trees that are coming out. We'll double